Welcome back to Mathematical Economics class. In this class, I want to show you how to derive average cost function from total cost function. Let's take a look at this question. The question says the total cost function of a firm is given as TC, that is total cost, equals 2Q squared plus 7Q, then plus 10. Then we are asked to derive, that's number one, derive the average cost function. Two, evaluate the average cost function at Q equals 2 and Q equals 5. So let's go there. Here is the solution. So the first question, we want to derive average cost function. So how do you derive average cost function? You recall that average cost is mathematically defined as total cost divided by Q. This formula, you have to know it. Average cost equals total cost divided by Q, where TC is total cost and Q here is the unit of output produced. So now the next thing is to substitute this function into this formula. So we have total cost function, which is 2Q. We have 2Q squared plus 7Q. Then we have plus 10. Then divided by Q. This is our TC, the whole of this, and this is our this is our Q. Then you can separate this. We can divide each of the components by this Q. So then we have 2Q squared divided by Q plus 7Q divided by Q, then plus 10 divided by Q. So this is equivalent to the whole of this. Then we can go further. We can get this Q. This one is Q raised to power 2, and we have one Q here. So this Q is going to cancel one of the Q there. So we have this is equals to this. We cancel out this power because the law of indices, remember the law of indices, we have x squared over x. Okay, so that equals to x squared minus 1 because this is division. You take out the power of this, which is 1, to the back. Okay, so in other words, I have 2Q. I have 2Q plus this Q, we cancel this Q, then I'm left with 7, then plus 10 divided by Q. This is my average cost function. This is my average cost function. So the question then goes further to say we should evaluate at Q equals 2 and Q equals 5. Now let's start with at Q equals 2. We know that our AC will be equals to, we have to plug into this average cost function. So we have 2 into bracket 2, then we have plus 7, then we have plus 10 over 2. Okay, 9, we have 4 plus 7. Okay, 4 plus 7, then 10 divided by 2, that is plus 5. Okay, so in other words, 4 plus 7, that is 11, then plus 5, that is 16. In other words, our average cost at Q equals 16. Now, let's evaluate. So let's do that here. Let's evaluate. That is continuation of this. At Q equals 5. Okay. Our AC will be, we have 2Q q is 5 now, then plus 7, then we have plus 10 divided by q, which is 5. Then we have 2 times 5, that is 10, then plus 7 plus 10 divided by 5, that is 2. In other, we have 10 plus 7, that is 17, plus 9, that is 19. In other words, at q equals 5, our average cost is 19.